Goa is India's smallest state in terms of area and the fourth smallest in terms of population. It is located on the west coast of India in the region known as the Konkan. The state language of Goa is Konkani. Goa is a beautiful place. It is called the Little Paradise for its breathtaking, serene natural setting. Goans are friendly. With deep faith and generosity, they welcome people of all cultures and nations with open hearts. The land of Goa has produced saints and sent its sons and daughters as missionaries far and near. Saint Joseph Vaz is the patron of the Archdiocese of Goa and Daman. He is the first Goan to be raised to sainthood. Another Goan, Venerable Agnello, is also on the way to sainthood. The ancestry of our founder, servant of God Raymond Francis Camillus Mascarenhas, is rooted in Goa. His forefathers migrated from Goa to Mangalore in 18th century. Servant of God loved Goa and visited the famous Basilica of Bom Jesus, where the incorruptible body of his patron Saint Francis Xavier is laid. He desired Goan vocations to Bethany because of their strong faith and goodwill. The first vocations to Bethany from Goa came as early as in 1936. 7 girls from Goa were directed to Bethany by a Goan priest. Our founder also supported a native Goan congregation of women, Holy Family, founded by Father Faustino de Souza, accepting the 4 novices to be formed in the Bethany novitiate. The Divine Providence provided 27 vocations to Bethany from different parts of Goa, even before Bethany sisters could land in Goa. These sisters have contributed greatly to the growth of the church and the society by their life of commitment and service. We cherish their sweet memories. Some have gone to the eternal reward. Others continue to serve the Lord in different mission areas. Ever since Bethany sisters landed in Goa, there have been an inflow of vocations to priesthood and religious life, in particular to Bethany. Here is Sister Josefina Fernandez to share her vocation story.
My vocation is an unasked gift from God, and my parents are my first vocation promoters. I am Sister Josephine Fernandez from the parish of Saint Joseph, San Jose de Ariel, Salcedo, Goa. When I was in class 6, inspired by the homily of late Father Edwin de Souza, who quoted Matthew 16:26. What is the use if you gain the whole world and lose your soul? at that early age, I decided to give my life to Jesus in the footsteps of Saint Francis Xavier. When I was in class 10, Father Emidio, who gave a talk on occasion in our school, I decided to join Handmaids of Christ Sisters from Kalangut. The Handmaids of Christ Sisters came to my house to speak with my parents. My parents, brothers and sisters were surprised because I had not informed them about my desire to join religious life. Being a younger child in the family, I was very attached to my parents. There was no single day I stayed without them. Though I had made up my mind to join the Handmaids of Christ Sisters in Kalangut, the Divine Providence introduced me to the Bethany Sisters, and I joined Bethany on 7 June 1986. My brother Agnedo came to reach me to Mangalore and stayed 4 days, thinking that I would come back home with him. I firmly told my brother that I would stay in Bethany and that he should return home alone. I continued my journey with the Lord and strengthened my vocation in Bethany through the intercession of Saint Joseph, my patron saint, who played a hidden role and have done wonders in my life till today. My congregation provided me with many opportunities and freedom to serve the Lord. Fired with the zeal and compassion of our founder, I render my services in the school, parishes, deanery, and Archdiocese of Goa, reaching out to the poor and needy. I have experienced hundredfold blessings in my life, and in return, I try to be a blessing to everyone.
Sister Josephina is the first vocation from the parish of San Jose de Ariel. Thereafter, many girls from different parts of Goa joined Bethany and continue to serve the Lord through Bethany in India and abroad. Sister Antoinette Coutinho from San Jose de Ariel is the pioneer of missions in Tanzania and presently is the Delegation Superior of Tanzania Delegation. As the congregation of the Sisters of the Little Flower of Bethany celebrate its centenary, we are happy and proud to be part of Bethany's rich heritage and history and participate in its charism, spirituality, and mission to share the compassionate love of Jesus with all, especially the poor and marginalized.
Jesus' call is ever new. Let us listen and respond with love, my dear young lively women.
Jesus wants persons for exciting journey, no wages, complete self-giving, to a life of prayer and sacrifice, to participate in the mission of Jesus in the church. You receive inner happiness, joy, peace, contentment, and hundredfold blessings for you and your family, sure. Welcome to Bethany.
Those interested,
Please contact the following sisters: Sister Josephina, Sans the Ariel, 9356827985. Sister Sandra Kepen, 9689502537. Sister Jennifer Lonier, 6361352374. Sister Biana Fernandez, Santa Cruz, 6362561253.